Hi everyone, I'm Devendra and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step application process for the Microsoft Research Sciences Intern position in Bangalore, India. If you're passionate about AI, machine learning, and groundbreaking research, this internship could be your perfect gateway to working with one of the most innovative companies in the world. Don't forget to check out my blog for detailed insights and tips. The link is in the description below. Before you dive into the application, ensure your CV, resume and cover letter are top-notch. I've shared tips on how to perfect them in this video, so stay tuned until the end. Let's get started. Let's begin with your CV or resume, the first thing recruiters will see. Here's what to include. Highlight your programming skills in Python, C++ or Java. Showcase your research experience, mention any papers, projects, or contributions to conferences. Include academic achievements, especially in fields like AI, machine learning, or computer vision. If you've worked on any impactful projects, like building machine learning models or contributing to open source research, list them under a dedicated Projects section. Now, let's talk about your cover letter. This is your chance to connect your skills and experiences with Microsoft's mission. Start strong. I'm thrilled to apply for the Microsoft Research Sciences Internship. In the middle, focus on your achievements. During my academic journey, I developed specific project skill that aligns with Microsoft's focus on research area. End with enthusiasm. I'm eager to contribute to Microsoft's innovative culture and grow as a researcher. Keep it concise but powerful. Once your documents are ready, head over to the Microsoft Careers page. Here's what to do. Search for the job title, Research Sciences Intern, Bangalore. Read through the job description, note key qualifications like strong coding skills, experience in AI, milliliter, and academic research. Click Apply to start the process. Finally, upload your documents. Microsoft prefers PDFs for resumes and transcripts. Double-check your entries before hitting Submit. Once submitted, you'll receive a confirmation email. Remember, applications are reviewed on a rolling basis, so it's always better to apply early. That's it for today's guide. I hope this video helps you land the Microsoft Research Sciences Internship in Bangalore. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more career guides and tips. Check out my blog link below for detailed information and resources. Good luck with your application, and I'll see you in the next video.